Good evening, welcome to Left, Right and Centre. I'm Vishnu Shom. On the programme tonight, Harmanpreet Singh converted 2 penalty corners as India beat Spain 2-1 in the men's hockey bronze medal match at the Paris Olympics, winning India a bronze medal. With this, India have secured back-to-back medals at the Olympics, having also won bronze in hockey 3 years back for the first time in 52 years. The last time India won back-to-back hockey medals in the Olympics was in 1968 and in 1972. The veteran goalkeeper PR Srijesh, who was playing his final match, made some extraordinary saves to deny the Spanish captain Marc Miralles from penalty corners. The Indian players mobbed Srijesh after the full-time whistle, capping off a brilliant farewell for the 36-year-old. That, as you can imagine, is going to be our top discussion. Next up on the show, the Nobel Peace Prize winner Muhammad Yunus set to take oath as the leader of the interim government in Bangladesh. After landing in Dhaka, Yunus paid tribute to those killed in Bangladesh's deadly protests that toppled Sheikh Hasina's government, saying that their sacrifices had brought the nation a second independence. Today is a glorious day for us, is what he told reporters at Dhaka airport after he returned. Bangladesh has created a new victory day. Bangladesh has got a second independence. New Delhi will be watching those developments just across the border very closely. And finally on the show, an NDTV special from Vinesh Phogat's assembly. What young wrestlers have to say about their icon, who was disqualified for being just 100 grams overweight ahead of a gold medal bout. Well, let's just go straight across now to what is very much the big story that we are tracking. An incredible day for India in the Olympics. We're joined by Ashish Ballal, the former goalkeeper of the Indian hockey team, Pargat Singh, the former captain of the Indian hockey team, Manjinder Kaur, Pritam Rani Sewach as well, also Gautam Bhattacharya, their senior sports journalist. Pargat Singh ji, first to you, your thoughts at an incredible match today. Just so wonderful that 2 consecutive Olympics we've come back with medals.
Yeah, definitely. We are celebrating, and it is a celebration for the country as well, because ultimately this is the second time, last Olympic and this Olympic, we maintained that, although we were hoping for the better medal. But never mind, I think this is incredible as for boys are concerned. They played really well and they did the country proud.
Manjinder Kaur, your thoughts. Firstly, let's talk a little bit about our big hero, Srijesh. He ends what's been an incredible career at the age of 36. Srijesh was the wall that prevented, some other team from getting through and took us to where we are today. Your thoughts about Srijesh?
सबसे पहले तो सर बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि हमारा ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आया सेकंड टाइम, और इसमें बहुत ही लंबा टाइम खेले हैं श्रीजेश सर जी, मतलब 2001 से खेल रहे हैं, लंबा टाइम में बहुत ही अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, टीम के लिए उन्होंने लाइफ दिया अपना, और जो कि एक गोलकीपर के लिए इतना टीम को देना, ये तभी हमारा मतलब मेडल आ पाया। बाकी पूरी टीम की मेहनत है, हम उनको बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, और सेकेंड टाइम हमारा ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आया, रियली वेरी गुड और गुड फॉर हॉकी।
प्रीतम रानी सेवाच, हरमनप्रीत सिंह के बारे में बात करते हैं। हरमनप्रीत के जो गोल्स थे, पेनल्टी कॉर्नर कन्वर्जन, शायद पूरा ओलंपिक्स पे अगर हम देखें तो उनका कन्वर्जन रेट इतना सही नहीं था और बेहतर हो सकता था, पर आज का मैच और आज का कॉन्टेक्स्ट में उन्होंने जो किया, दैट्स व्हाट वन अस अ ब्रॉन्ज अल्टीमेटली। योर थॉट्स?
सबसे पहले मैं बधाई देना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशी का माहौल है। और जैसे परगट पाजी ने बताया कि पिछली बार ओलंपिक्स में ब्राउन्स मेडल था, हम उम्मीद कर रहे थे अब की बार फाइनल खेले, बट जो हुआ कोई बात नहीं। हम ब्राउन्स से भी बहुत खुश हैं, क्योंकि हमारा जो नया फ्यूचर है, नया हॉकी के यंग प्लेयर्स हैं, और हिंदुस्तान की जैसे हॉकी का पहले बोलते इतने टाइम से सूखा पड़ा था, उसके लिए हम ब्राउन्स मेडल से बहुत खुश हैं। और हरमनप्रीत को ये कहूंगी कि टीम की बैकबोन है। आपको पता है, दिमाग में प्लेयर्स के रहता है हम पेनल्टी कॉर्नर बनाए, हरमनप्रीत स्कोर कर देगा। कई बार हमें ऐसे चांस भी मिले हैं कि ओपन स्कोर करने के, उस पर भी हमने पीसी बनाया, क्योंकि प्लेयरों का कॉन्फिडेंस इतना ज्यादा बना हुआ है कि हरमनप्रीत गोल करेगा। और हरमनप्रीत ने हर मैच पे टर्निंग पॉइंट पे स्कोर किया और हमारी टीम को ब्रॉन्ज मेडल दिलाया। तो हरमनप्रीत टीम की बैकबोन है।
Well, the Prime Minister did speak to our bronze medal winning team. Let's just take a look.
सर, ये हरमन के पास है।
सर नमस्कार। नमस्कार सर। हमने भी बंद कर दिया है, सरपंच साहब बोल दे।
नहीं, शुक्रिया सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू जी सर।
भाई आपको और पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई।
शुक्रिया सर, थैंक यू।
बहुत भारत का नाम रोशन किया आपने। और आपको याद होगा मैंने टोक्यो में कहा था आपको
जी सर।
कि आपने पराजय की पूरी श्रृंखला को तोड़ा है।
जी सर।
और अब आपके नेतृत्व में और आपकी पूरी टीम के प्रयासों से इस बार भी हमने प्रगति की है। और मुझे पक्का विश्वास है कि अब हॉकी क्योंकि वो पुराना जो स्वर्णिम काल था
जी सर।
वो फिर से आप लोग वापिस लेके आएंगे, ऐसा मुझे पक्का विश्वास हो गया है।
जी बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल लेके आएंगे सर, थैंक यू सर।
हमारे श्रीजय से
जी सर,
कोशिश करती है।
जी साथ में ही सर, कर लीजिए सर।
हेलो सर।
श्रीजय है वहाँ?
यस सर, श्रीजेश बात कर रहा हूँ सर।
कैसे हो भैया?
एकदम बढ़िया सर।
आज मुझे
कंग्रेचुलेशन सर।
बधाई हो आपको।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
आपकी कमाल, आपने निवृत्ति घोषित कर दी आखिरी में,
यस सर।
लेकिन आपको नई टीम तैयार करनी होगी भैया।
यस सर, यस सर।
देखिए मैं एक बात तो आज जरूर कहना चाहूंगा, 10 खिलाड़ियों के साथ ब्रिटेन की लड़ाई आपकी, मुझे लगता है हिंदुस्तान का हॉकी को समझने वाला हर बच्चा इसको हमेशा याद रखेगा।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर।
और इसको एक उदाहरण के रूप में माना जाएगा। और मैं मानता हूं कि दुनिया में भी हॉकी की चर्चा होगी तो ये आपकी क्वार्टर फाइनल के मैच का तो जरूर जिक्र आएगा।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।
और मैं सच बता दूं, अच्छा टीम स्पिरिट भी दिखाई दिया और आपने बिल्कुल जमकर के, और मैं देखा कि एक बार हारने के बाद थोड़ा मोरल डाउन हो जाता है, लेकिन आपने 24 घंटे में फिर से अपने आप को रिकवर करके पूरी ताकत से निकल पड़े आप लोग।
यस सर।
जी सर।
देखिए देश को बड़ा गर्व हो रहा है आप लोगों पर, और मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई है सबको।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
सबकी तबीयत तो ठीक है ना? कोई इंजरी नहीं हुई ना?
नहीं सर, सब एकदम बढ़िया सर। सब लोग इधर आपको सुन रहे सर, सब खुश है, सब आपका कॉल का इंतजार में था सर।
मैं सबको मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई दे रहा भैया।
भारत माता की
थैंक यू सर।
महाराज की जय सर।
थैंक यू सर।
चलिए सरपंच साहब बहुत बहुत बधाई फिर से।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू।
We've also got another fantastic guest joining us, but what a wonderful message from the Prime Minister. The team absolutely elated, and why not? It's been a remarkable performance, and of course, Srijesh, the big champion. But the message of the Prime Minister to Srijesh that, look, you have to work on a new team. Hopefully, he's going to be a part of the setup for a very long time. But Ashish Balal, the former goalkeeper of the Indian team, joins us as well at this stage. Incredible performance, Ashish, but 2 consecutive Olympics in which we've won a bronze. What does that actually say about the state of Indian hockey? Because even 10 years back, we were in a relative state of despair. That's clearly not the case anymore.
It's upwards. It's definitely growing. Winning 2 back-to-back Olympic bronze medal from after 35 years or something, it's an incredible feature, and to replicate something we missed narrowly in the semi-finals. It could have gone anyways. It could have been a silver or a gold. You never know. But that is the margins where the top 3-4 teams in the world are. Anyone can beat anybody on that given day. It was something that the whole Indian nation didn't want to happen, but it happened. But they played fantastically today. I think the margin of victory could have been much higher. We missed a lot of chances. There was a lot of tension in the last 5-10 minutes of the game, but they held on, and thankfully no stupid errors committed in the last 2-3 minutes.
I want to go across to Gautam Bhattacharya, and I'll come back to Ashish in just a moment. Gautam, are there any superstars for the future that you see in this team?
Yeah, they are. See, look at the difference which Amit Rohidas made. When he came back after the match's suspension, And then Harmanpreet, he's playing his third Olympics and he's 27. So he's very much there to shape India's fortunes at the LA Games as well. This one was rather challenging because there were around 11 odd players from Tokyo, and they had to adopt to a different kind of style, a more compact defensive style, which the new South African coach built. So, definitely lots to look forward to.
Pargat Singh, what is the formula that the Indian team needs to work on going forward? Are you satisfied with the setup of the defensive formations? Do you believe that more needs to be done in the midfield? What about our attackers and the style of play that we now have? It's been changing over the last couple of years. Are you happy with what you see?
No, at least today I'm really very happy. But at the same time, although we were looking for the better from this team, because this team is a combination of experience as well as the youngsters who are getting good to this game. But lot to be done at the grassroots level, especially junior level and sub-junior level, because I am looking at once we are replacing few players, especially the goalkeeping, because goalkeeping and penalty corner is the one area which can take the team to the next level. So Harmanpreet is there, but at the same time we need to build up more Harmanpreets like this, and Srijesh, of course, because he gave the life to the team, and I hope he will continue to give sport or to youngster to train the goalkeeper, so that future can be built up on those lines.
Sure.
And ultimately, I think today we should celebrate it as for country
no,
is
absolutely,
concerned.
and we all are. In fact, Ashish, I wanted to ask you that next, since you know a thing or two about goalkeeping. Srijesh, your thoughts about the Great Wall of India?
Absolute legend, inspiration, motivator. What can you say about this guy? 4 Olympics, 335 international matches, 2 Asian Games gold, 2 bronze medals, and nearly about 50 gold medals in his career in different tournaments. What a legend he is. He's been a total inspiration. It's not only for Indian hockey, it's for the world hockey. You see the celebration, people came to him after the match. It's not only the Indian team, but all other players from all over the world have come and congratulated Srijesh for his performance. I think he's aged and he's playing the best and most mature hockey he could have ever played. And what a mentor he's been for this team. There are so many youngsters in this team, and he's really motivated up their game, motivated, inspired. And what a stellar performance he's had in this tournament. Every match he's contributed a minimum of 5 saves. And that too in crucial periods of the match. One save, if you had missed, the match could have turned anyways. So he's made the timing of the saves is also to be taken into account for a goalkeeper. If he makes it in the last 2-3 minutes of the game, where when the teams are equal, that's a mammoth save, and he's done it repeatedly in every match of this tournament, and that shows the caliber and the mind of the Srijesh. Incredible, and he's been a total inspiration, and I'm a big fan.
मनजिंदर कौर, मनजिंदर जी, मैं ये सवाल हमेशा पूछा जाता है, मैं फिर से पूछूंगा, क्योंकि ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि इंडिया में हॉकी का इंटरेस्ट क्रिकेट जैसे तो नहीं है, ये हमें मानना पड़ेगा। पर इस विक्ट्री के बाद, इस ब्रॉन्ज मेडल के बाद, आपके ख्याल से कुछ बदलने वाला है, बदल सकता है?
बिल्कुल सर, बदलना तो चाहिए, लेकिन क्रिकेट को हमेशा ही आपको पता है कि ऊपर ही रखा जाता है। हॉकी के इतने बड़े टूर्नामेंट भी है, उनको भी हम नहीं दिखा पाते, और क्रिकेट के छोटे छोटे वो हमें हॉकी वालों को हमेशा ही ऐसे लगता है कि क्रिकेट को हमेशा ही फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस दी जाती है। लेकिन फिर भी प्रगट बाजी हमारे बहुत सीनियर है, बिलाल जी बैठे हैं, ये भी बहुत अच्छे गोलकीपर थे जब इनका गोल्ड मेडल था एशियन गेम में। तो अगर हम हॉकी को, जैसे अब आप कह रहे हो कि श्रीजेश को गोलकीपर की उसको रखना चाहिए, जो सीनियर प्लेयर्स हैं उनको साथ में लगाना चाहिए कि वो अच्छी ट्रेनिंग दे पाए, टीम को और अच्छा कर सके, जो कि हम हॉकी को और प्रमोट कर सकें। और सेम वे जैसे प्रगटबाजी ने कहा कि ग्रास रूट पे सर, जैसे नीचे ग्राउंड में, स्कूल में बच्चों को एस्ट्रोटर्फ मिलनी चाहिए, नीचे से जो हमारा बेस है वो थोड़ा स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए कि ऊपर जाके हमें जो मेहनत है वो ग्रास रूट की बजाय हमें अपर जाना चाहिए, तो हमारी टीम और ऊपर जा सकती है। मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि हॉकी को और प्रमोट किया जाए, दोनों बार ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आए हैं, थोड़ा मीडिया पे, टीवी पे सब मैचेस दिखाने चाहिए, लीग होनी चाहिए, काफी इनको हमें भी प्रमोट करना चाहिए ताकि हॉकी को और सपोर्ट मिल सके।
Pargat Singh ji, this is 2024. This entire conversation on do we have enough astroturfs has been happening for at least the last 35-40 years. When it's been happening for the last 30 years that I have been involved in journalism, or 29 years. Do we still have a dearth? Do we still have a dearth of astroturfs in this country? I know, for example, Odisha has done a fantastic job. Naveen Patnaik, the former chief minister, had a real interest in it. There was a solid backing of the state government to develop in Odisha the sport of hockey. What about other parts of the country and basic infrastructure, which is astroturfs?
But Vishnu, one thing I will tell you that we should create a culture of sports in the country, because a country of 140, maybe 40 crores, and we have just a participation of 117 athletes. So this is not enough, because we don't have a training infrastructure, we don't have a training programs at sub-junior and junior level, because ultimately it is not only this day, but I think a lot of hard work has been done since last 15 or 20 years behind these boys. And we need to promote like this, because ultimately nowadays, if you wanted to show the world the how healthy and prosperous your youth is, you can show it through the sports only. But unfortunately, we are not looking at that angle. And I hope so, because this is not the discussion time at this moment, because this is a celebration time. But some other time we should discuss, and we should have a long-term planning in the schools, in the colleges, in the primary schools, so that ultimately we can groom a healthy nation. Because this is not only showing the medals, but showing that how your nation is healthy and prosperous.
Ji, let's talk a little bit about sponsorships and funding and payments after every match. Has this changed over a period of time? Srijesh is as big a hero as any, perhaps not as big as our cricket stars, but that's not his fault. You know, I mean, in the past we used to have problems about hockey players getting enough money in matches, the conditions in which they used to stay. Contracts used to pay only a fraction. So, ये सब बदल चुका है थोड़ा बहुत. प्रीतम जी.
काफी चेंज हुआ है पहले से, जैसे प्रगट पाजी ने बोला कि अभी तो हमारा सेलिब्रेशन का टाइम है, वो तो सब ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा महसूस होता है क्योंकि मैं खुद कोचिंग करती हूँ और मेरे खुद के ग्राउंड से ओलंपियंस हैं, और आज सोनीपत से 2 ओलंपियन भी आज खेल रहे थे जिसने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल लिया है। लेकिन जैसे बात की जाए कि ग्रास रूट पे सुविधाएं इतनी नहीं है, उन बच्चों को टर्फ भी नहीं मिलता, वो घास भी प्रैक्टिस करके जाते हैं, तो ये चीज हमें मैंने नोट किया, जब भी हमारा मेडल आता तभी हमारा ये मुद्दा उठता है, अदरवाइज बिल्कुल साइलेंट पड़ा रहता है, उसमें कोई सुविधाएं नहीं बढ़ी है अभी तक। सच बताऊं तो आपको, सिर्फ जो साई की जो स्कीम है वो काफी इंप्रूव हुई है, काफी हॉस्टल्स बने हैं, लेकिन जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के हम बात करेंगे, हम हरियाणा की बात करेंगे, तो हमारे यहाँ पे ग्रास रूट पे बहुत ज्यादा सुविधाएं अभी नहीं है, तो उस पर हमें काम करना चाहिए, तभी हमारे यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर आएगा, तभी बच्चे ज्यादा खेलेंगे। ये नहीं अब एक मेडल आ गया है इस पे हम बहुत खुश हो रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारा फ्यूचर का कुछ हमारा ब्राइट है ही नहीं सामने, हमें क्या करना क्या नहीं, तो उस पे हमें काम करना पड़ेगा।
Ashish, let's talk a little bit about Harmanpreet once again. You know, I mean, penalty corner conversion is so important. Harmanpreet has been a bit up and down. Today he's won us that bronze, some would suggest. But consistency in penalty corner shootouts and having a penalty corner specialist, you know, going beyond the stars that we've seen today, is that, do we have any new stars, you know, coming up?
Could have been much better. We got nearly 48 penalty corners. We converted 4-5. They were crucial winners. But knowing what Harmanpreet can bring to the table, he could have scored much more. I think we lacked in variation, and whenever we took a variation, we converted chances. Even today, probably there's a touch. They went for an indirect penalty corner, and that confused the goalkeeper a little bit. If you see, Hardik put his stick inside for a jab, and that confused the goalkeeper. Whenever he's gone for a direct, he's not been that consistent. Only the first match he converted a superb one, but all the other matches, it was some kind of a deflection or something that happened. But he's a key player in this team.
Right, but I'd like to thank you all very much for joining us. It's a day of immense celebration for India, a bronze medal in hockey. Hockey means the world to us, our national sport. And let's just hope that the interest in the sport, which today no doubt will generate some more of, will continue to grow. We really need to see that.